Airlie Beach is famous for?
Maybe 2-3 days.
I just know how to say
Mystery man.
That was some crazy question of me. What were you asking?
I'm glad the bushes are where they are because this is a family show.
We moved here recently.
Right, going down between the staterooms, I'm literally hitting my head on everything.
What's the dog's name?
Story.
Mystery people, welcome back. You already know how it is. Mysterymantravels. Today we're in Airlie Beach. Get excited. We're flying in. You already know, man. Y'all gonna have a good time today. Mystery man. Shout out to Airlie Beach, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. We got the fish. They swimming in the grass. Mystery man. Get excited. I just want to let y'all know where we are. Go ahead and show it on the map. There it is right there, y'all. Airlie Beach. Now, we got Australia. We're going to zoom in there. You can see Airlie Beach. This is the gateway to the Great Barrier Reef. Now, y'all know the Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest coral reef in the world, so get excited about that. We're going to talk to the people. We might see a little bit of reef. We got a whole lot going on, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all that this is what Airlie Beach is famous for. We got a Great Barrier Reef, but there's one that's of a heart. So get excited about that, y'all. Airlie Beach. Get excited. Mystery people, we are here at the Airlie Beach main street. It's the main street. It's going down. We got everything around that you ever wanted.
I'm a martial artist.
Now, this is what y'all want to know over here about Airlie Beach, y'all. The main street. You've seen us walking down here. It's lined with shops, cafes, restaurant, accommodation. It's such a vibrant and lively area. Get excited.
Mystery man, baby.
So as we're making our way around town, we got a few little hostels and all that good stuff everywhere. We got it going on. It's really happening down here in old Airlie Beach, and we're just kind of working our way around. What's happening, y'all? How you doing? Hey, y'all want to get on my travel channel? I'm just passing through town, man. I'll pop you on for a minute. There you go. We got a good angle too, man. So what's y'all's name, man?
Juan.
Juan?
Nico.
Okay.
Carolina.
Okay, cool. Where y'all from?
Argentina.
Argentina?
And Italy.
Italy. All right. So mucho gusto. I don't know how to say anything in Italy except for yeah, that's fine, and ciao. That's all I know. So that's all the Italian I know. So I'm just coming through. Yo soy de Estados Unidos. So I just came from the States, man. Yeah, so I'm just hanging out and I'm in town. I'm doing my thing, man. So how long are y'all in town for, man?
Maybe 2-3 days.
2-3 days? Where are you going after?
I don't know what to say. Great Barrier Island.
Oh, okay. All right. I don't know that one. All right.
From Yeppoon.
Oh, from Yeppoon, all the way up there. Okay, by Rockhampton and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
All right. See, I know a little bit. All right. So y'all doing your thing. You having a good time out here. Things going all right. How long are you in Australia for?
Right now, 8 months. But
8 months.
1 year in the beginning. Yeah.
1 year. Oh man, that's crazy.
Mystery man.
Y'all have a good day, man.
Mystery man, baby.
All right. We got the chess masters going on. Y'all want to get on, man? Let me pop y'all on for a minute, man.
Welcome to America.
This is exciting, man. This is exciting. We got the mini chess set. Yeah. What's your name, man?
Ariel.
Okay. And what about you, man?
Luis, man.
Okay, Luis. Where y'all from, man?
From Chile.
Chile. Now, who's winning the game, man? Who's winning the game?
He's winning.
He's winning.
He's winning now.
Oh, cheating. I don't know how to say that in
Yeah,
Spanish.
he's cheating.
Yeah. I just know how to say I'm around a lot of Mexicans. I just know shit, but that's okay.
Mystery man.
Y'all have a good day, man. All right, mucho gusto. And then, yeah, we're gonna go down that way and then come back around. You just check out the traffic of old Airlie Beach here. And things are going the way that they're supposed to, so that's nice. Yeah, let's start working our way.
Mystery man.
Have a good day, man. See you around. See ya. Yeah, everybody's nice, man. So we doing our thing. We having a good time. Everybody's having adventures everywhere. Let me ask y'all, man. How y'all doing, man? Sorry, I cut you off. What's your name, man?
No, Marcus, bro.
Okay, Marcus. Okay, cool. And what about you, man?
Andreas, I don't even work here.
Oh, you're just hanging out. I'm hanging out too, so that's what we do, y'all. Cool, man. All right, so for the ladies out there that's watching the channel, all right? Both of y'all, all right? We got some eligible bachelors from the UK. You get your paperwork. All right, ladies from other countries, get your paperwork. So what do you got to say to the ladies, man?
So, whoa, you just fired some crazy question of me. What were you asking?
What do you have to say to the ladies? The ladies out there watching. This one's trying to leave. All right, here we go.
Come to Airlie is the place to be. Best place on the coast.
Place to be. All right. All right.
I don't know what to say.
He's got grey hairs because of it. So
Hey, some women like the gray hair. Silver fox. All right. Silver fox. All right. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day. We gonna
Mystery man.
Bro. All right, y'all, Airlie Beach, we never forgot. This is Mystery Man, this is what we do, and we always get the street art. Shout out to the girl that's coming out the water. At least she can breathe through her nose. And this one over here. Shout out to this one. I'm glad the bushes are where they are, because this is a family show. So I just want to make sure that things are going the right way. But shout out to the graffiti, y'all. This is how we do it out here, Mystery Man. And I'm looking a little bit over the fence. I'm gonna try to get it, y'all. Shout out to the other one over there, Mystery Man. All right, yeah, so it's quite busy down the street, y'all. It's really happening around here.
Mystery Man, baby.
A lot of places to eat and pubs and shopping and yeah. Now, as you can see out there, everything is perfect. It's such a lovely, nice day. So let's talk about the weather, y'all. Airlie Beach enjoys a tropical climate with warm temperatures year-round. It is susceptible to cyclones during the cyclone season, so you got to watch out for that. But other than that, Airlie Beach is perfect temperature every day. So yeah, a lot of stuff you can do out here. Check the reef, go on a little flight. There's that heart again. Shout out to the heart.
Amazing!
And we just rolling. So yeah, backpackers everywhere. Things looking nice, y'all. It's going down. It's really happening. It's really going down. Hey ladies, how y'all doing? Hey, can I get you on my travel channel? What's happening? Let me pop you over here. Let me get you on my travel channel over here.
On your travel
Yeah,
channel?
just right over here. Perfect.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Mystery
Perfect.
Man,
Yeah, so the
baby.
channel's called Mysterymantravels. I just get around. I'm from the States. So I'm going all over the place. All right, so what's your name over there?
I'm Danny.
Danny, and what about you?
Libby.
Danny and Libby. Y'all from here?
We're from Newcastle.
From
now,
Newcastle,
yeah.
so down.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Thanks. So how long are y'all in town for?
We moved here recently.
Oh,
so,
really?
Yeah.
Oh, from Newcastle?
Yeah.
All right,
so
now
we're
I'm
just
sure
working
you're
on the boat.
enjoying the lowered cost of living,
Yes.
right? Because it don't cost that much to live here. That's always a good thing, right?
Yeah.
So it's not, oh, it's about the same as Newcastle.
Yeah.
That's a surprise. I guess everything's going up everywhere.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, cool. So what's your favorite thing about Airlie so far?
The reef.
Okay,
Yeah.
the reef. You can't go to the reef every day though, can you?
Yeah, well, we're working on the boat, so we're out there a bit.
Oh, there you go. All right, might have to see y'all on the boat or something coming up.
Yeah,
Okay, cool. All right.
hopefully.
All right, so that was yours, but what about yours? You can't have the same one.
The atmosphere of it.
Okay, there you go.
There's always something
All right.
happening.
Perfect.
Mystery Man!
Y'all have a good day, man. See ya. All right, we got a little bit more street art here.
Amazing!
Looking nice. And check out the location of that palm tree. That's almost spot on right there. So get excited about that. We got the octopus.
I don't know what to say.
We got the lighthouse. Shout out to octopus. Shout out to lighthouse. Shout out to scooters.
Mystery Man!
All right. And it's going down. Oh yeah, shout out to jellyfish, y'all. You don't want to touch them, but they're there. So shout out to jellyfish. Shout out to everything. Shout out to everything we got going on. Yeah, so it does get a bit busier down this way. Got the main drag. We got the pub, and don't forget we got the Great Barrier Reef Festival,
Mystery Man, baby.
which is going to be really nice, and it's really going down. We got all the shopping you can handle. We got all the people we can talk to, which is great. We got the water, we got the ocean, we got a little bit of shopping, and let's kind of just work our way through here and see what we can find. Hey man, how you doing? Yeah, good. Shout out to McDonald's, y'all. If you want to sponsor my video, let me know. So we're still working our way around. We got a lot more stuff coming up here. And the weather's perfect, y'all, so you can't beat that. So we really working our way around. Good. Hey y'all, how you doing?
Hey, mate.
Hey, I seen y'all. I seen y'all on the boat, man. What's happening?
There you go.
Yeah. I'm pretty good, man. How'd you go with the height, trying to get on the thing, man?
On the boat.
Yeah, I usually don't meet people that's taller than me,
Mate,
man.
going down between the staterooms, I'm literally hitting my head on everything.
Yeah, I figured that. That's all good. Yeah.
I got it next.
What's your name anyway, man?
Daniel or Tui, too tall.
Okay, Too Tall. There you go. What about you?
Seb.
Okay, cool. Shout out to Too Tall and shout out to, say it again?
Seb.
Seb. All right, cool. Where y'all from, man?
Victoria.
Victoria. Okay, cool.
Mystery Man! Done.
All right, so we're still working our way around town, y'all. Still going where we need to go. Shout out to Airlie Beach. It does get a bit busy at times, but we are where we need to be. So you got a little bit of shopping going on. You can do all that good stuff if you feel the need. And we got some more good stuff coming around. We are working our way, y'all. mystery people. There we go, everything you need. Welcome to Airlie Beach, all right? So we got the lagoon, we got sailing club and markets and all that good stuff as well. And then there's a board of everything that's happening in town. So we got the gospel choir and all that good stuff too. So it's really happening. It's really going down here. So I like, hey y'all, how you doing? Yeah, hey, can I get y'all on the travel channel, man? I got a travel channel. Let me pop you on for a minute. Yeah, okay, come over here. There we go. Perfect. All right. Actually, in the sun's better. Let me get you in the sun right over here, man. There you go. The dog has a mind of his own. That's okay. He'll get here eventually, man. There you go. I'll wait to get both y'all on, then I'll get it going, man. So, what's your name? We're gonna start with you.
I'm Valia.
Okay. What about you, man?
I'm Luke.
Luke. Okay, cool. You look like you didn't know what your name was. All right, cool. That's cool, man. So, are y'all from Airlie? Where are you from?
Yeah, from Airlie Beach.
Okay, cool. So, some rare locals, because most people aren't locals here, man.
Yeah.
Most people I notice are transients. They're just kind of passing through. All right, and then we got the dog. What's the dog's name?
Nori.
Nori? All right, like Noriega? Yeah. Okay, cool. So we got Nori and we got all that. So what do y'all like about living here, man? Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's really nice.
All right, do you find yourself getting bored at times?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so what do you do when you're bored?
Get out on the water.
Get out on the water, do your thing, get around, and hang out with the dog.
Yeah.
Cool, perfect. Hang out by the trash can too. That's pretty cool.
2, 3, Mystery Man.
Y'all have a good day, man. See you around. All right. Cool. So let's just keep working our way around town. Yeah, so things are going good. Working away. We got a creek. It's pretty dry. Shout out to Dry Creek. All right.
Mystery Man, baby.
All right. It was like a tongue twister almost. So we're just gonna keep working our way and let's see what we can find. It's really exciting here. Cool. So I was looking for this, y'all. All right. We got a little bit of Airlie Beach street art. We got Turtle. Shout out to Turtle. Nice little alley here. We got a snorkeler. Now there are some cars in the way, so I'm gonna try to get it going like this. And I'm gonna try to hit it on the way. Shout out to goldfish. Mutant goldfish over here. It's pretty big.
Amazing.
We got a little bit more on this side. It's a shame that people parked here, but you know what? I'm gonna squeeze through. I'm gonna squeeze through, y'all. Squeezing through. All right. So what do we got here? We got a turtle. Shout out to turtles. Looks like we got piranhas. Now there are no piranhas in Australia, y'all, but that looks like a piranha. Maybe somebody put a goldfish in there, got really big. We're gonna work our way through. Forgive how close it is. I got cars here, y'all, so I can't really do too much, but you can check out the street art. Get excited. And let's keep working our way down the street. See what we got, y'all. Man, that video was crazy. It was exciting, and you know what? This is only the beginning. We got a part 2 coming up. Get excited, Mystery Man. Man, where are you taking me today, man?